Rescue videos are blowing up on TikTok right now. Pages like TikTok World ASMR have hit over 100,000 followers, with one video reaching 30 million views. These cinematic, emotional, and super addictive rescue videos look professional, but here's the secret. They're 100% AI-generated and incredibly easy to make. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to create viral mini rescue videos yourself. Let's dive in. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Mini Rescue Video Generator and click on the first result. Open the GPT and it'll ask you to choose your rescue scenario. Just pick a concept number or create your own unique idea. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed cinematic image prompt and a video animation prompt. Everything you need in one go. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google ImageFX. Click on Create Image and select your preferred model. Paste the image prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Set your aspect ratio to 9:6 for vertical short-form videos. Choose 2K resolution for high-quality output. Set it to generate 2 images and hit Generate. Within seconds, Google ImageFX will create 2 ultra-detailed cinematic rescue images. Pick the one that looks most engaging. Now, let's bring that image to life. Click on the image you selected and choose Image to Video. This opens Google ImageFX's video generation section. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video animation prompt we generated earlier. Return to Google ImageFX and paste it in. Make sure your aspect ratio stays at 9:6. Choose your video duration. Typically 15 to 30 seconds works best for viral shorts. Select your preferred resolution and hit Generate. In just seconds, Google ImageFX will create a smooth, cinematic, highly engaging mini rescue video with perfect animation. Once your video is generated, download it immediately. Now you have a professional cinematic rescue video ready to post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. The entire process took less than 5 minutes, and you didn't film anything. That's the power of AI video creation. These videos get millions of views because they're emotionally engaging, visually stunning, and super satisfying to watch. If this helped you create viral rescue videos, hit that like button and subscribe to Bulk AI. Drop a comment telling me which rescue scenario you'll create first. See you in the next one.